Bit of a K3L there, bitches. Whoa, gotta love that. Train is coming. Fuck, feels like winter's coming. Halfway through June. It was 5 degrees this morning. It's 15 now. It's fucking freezing. Halfway through fucking June. More crappy Canadian. Charcoal's ready, bitches. Woo! RTFO, mofos. There you go. All right. There you go, bitchy. It's fucking windy as fuck too, eh? There you go. Bitchy McBitchnuts. There you go, bitchy. No twitching. There you go, one more for good luck. We'll figure it out. Get in there, bitch nuts. Bye-bye. Do you need to see me setting this up? Nope. I just fucking want you to. I'm not putting the grate in today. I'm gonna use the grate later. I can put it in now. Don't really matter. Okay, I'll put it in now. I'm gonna use it to toast the bun. Or buns. We'll do a quick bun searing. Woo woo! K3L, Nathan Airchime. Okay, motor. Got a motor. Gonna get my motor hooked up, and then it'll get running. Not a Weber motor. No name motor. This thing's like 25 years old. Still works. Okay. Let's get the meat. Here is our lovely back bacon. Nice piece of back bacon. There we go, bitches. Meat is set up. We're still drinking. We're going to give this a spritzeroo with the pineapple juice. Put a bit of water in there, not much. Good. Spinny, spinny. Oh yeah, we're going to put a piece of pecan wood in there. Just one little one. Should have done that before I put the meat in. That's okay. Little piece of pecan. This side or that side? That side has less charcoal. Bitchy. And then we'll get the lid on here, and I got the vents about 2/3. Howdy ho, bitches. It's been about half an hour. Was called away from my observation. Somebody's having a gopher problem. So I had to go eradicate a gopher or a groundhog, whichever you prefer. Cheers, big ears, wherever it is. Oh, maybe I should move the thing so I can see if you can see my beer. There you go. Cheers, big ears. One less groundhog in the world. Plenty more where that come from, eh? So let's open this up and give it a spray. Oh, nice. Smells good. Oh yeah, that's looking nice, eh? Very nice. Woohoo! See how you look in about another half hour. Should be done in that hour. Alright, bitches. Just an update. I'll be back. I might give it another spritzeroo. We'll see. You don't need to see that. I'll be back when it's time to take that bitch off. Whoa. Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos. Woo! I think we're good to go. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. Let's open her up and take a look. Oh, I meant at the food, not the beer. We'll open that up and we'll fucking drink that, won't we? Cheers, big ears. Oh, okay, that's beer. Let's have a looky-loo. Oh, smells fucking awesome. Oh yeah. And it feels pretty good. Still a bit of good coals there. Good. Right on. I just think I don't have anything to fucking poker with. No, that's fucking done. Oh yeah, for sure. That's fucking nice. Okay, I will remove this. Look at that, eh? Right fucking there. And I didn't do any glaze. Normally I do a maple syrup glaze on that. Today, no. Just gonna do that. We'll put it on a rack. We'll let it sit there for a few minutes. And yeah, I'll get some couple of buns and we'll toast up the buns on the remaining coals. And fuck yeah, we'll be back inside like a monkey not on crack. How can you do this holding a knife? Woo! Like that, I guess. Hey, that would be a rose-breasted grosbeak. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I know. The bird feeder's empty. Well, it's almost empty. Yeah, I know. Yeah, okay, I'll be there in a minute. Fucktard. A bastard's work is never done. Kill the gopher, feed the birds. Like, fuck right off. Can people just fucking leave me alone? The fucking stage 2 of the Corona opened fucking yesterday, so everybody's fucking here. It's like, fuck off. Corona's been so nice. Get the fuck away from me. Cheers. Corona ears. Beer. Beer is good. I read it somewhere. On a wall, I think. Okay, we'll go inside and yeah, we'll get set up. Alright, bitches. Okay, bitches. Woo! Pretty wrecked now. Still in a crappy Canadian. And I don't have a tea. But we're gonna cut this open. I've got a bun that's toasted and already buttered. If you don't butter your toasted bun, well, then you're fucked in your head. Skål! Bjorn! King of content! Woo! Mexicans, gangsters. Look at that. Look at that. Mafia bicycle, bitches. Oh, that smells fucking amazing. Oh, fucking hell. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Skål! Okay. Get a knife that you want to, use to slice it. Whatever knife you want, The ruler of the world. You can get a knife that, it has that name on it. Or wait, you can't see that maybe? Wait. Skål. There you go. Get a knife like that. Fucking douchecocks. I will skål for you, Bjorn. You are my king.
He was the last king.
You are the new king.
The new king.
Woo! Cheers, big ears. I need something to hold this. Oh, yeah, I got something right here. Alright. Let's fucking butt this up. Let's just... Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, fucking hell. That's awesome. That's just fucking great. Hey, look at that, eh? Look at that. Fucking A. Bun! Here's a bun. Toasted, buttered. I got mustard here. Oh, yeah. Got some Norwegian mustard. There's your deal. It's almost done, buddy, but hey, this stuff is fucking great. Okay. Come here, you. Which way's the top? That's the top. Save that ender for later. Look at that, eh? And then put some mustard on there. Don't put the mustard on the bun. Some provolone. Was that the deli section finally opened back up there last week? So I like to get my provolone cut fresh. Yeah, the old piss flaps provolone. It was like from. I'm not even gonna say. Fucking provolone. Look at that. It's like it was made for it, eh? Fits right fucking on there. Okay? Put some mustard on here. Get rid of this fucking tray. That was fucking beautiful. And that thing was cheap. That was only like $4 or some fucking thing. That was awesome. Go away. Go away. Over here. See? Go away. Mustard. Good healthy amount of quality mustard. Look at that, eh? Nice. Okay. You can eat it just like that, but I want that cheese to melt up a bit. Oh wait, what's that word that all the dumbasses use? Well, I want to make the cheese melty. Alright, bitches. I'm gonna heat that fucking bitch up and melt some cheese. Woo! But before that, we're gonna drink some fucking beer. And hold on a second, I'm gonna drink the beer. Look at this. Back bacon. This is back bacon. Alright, bitches. We're ready to eat this little fucking sandwich. A little bit of Norwegian mustard, piss flaps, provolone, and some good fucking back bacon. Woo! Alright. Oh. The cheese is oozing. Alright, bitches. My memory card filled up and I don't give a fuck. I ain't gonna make another fucking sandwich. I already ate half this fucking sandwich. If you saw the beginning of it, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But there you go. This sandwich is fucking good and everybody can like it. Make it, bitches. This is fucking good. Fuck off. Crumbs. Crummy crumbs. Well. Look at that. That is fucking amazing. And did you notice? Make it. Eat it. Don't be as controversial as me. That's good. That's good. Itchy. Mosquito bit me. Alright, bitches. Cheers, big ears. This was going to be a good video, but I'm just pissed off now. I don't give a fuck. You don't like it? Fuck off. If you like it, good for you. That's all I can say about that. Cheers, big ears. Listen to me too. Hey, hey! Alright, bitches. I'm gonna make another one of these. And then, I don't know. Video games. Woo! Sing it, bitchy. Bitchy! Mitsu is a hot bitchy. Alright, arrivederci Roma, take it easy. Piano piano. Ciao.